Hi, good evening, friends. So, today's theme is very usual, right? Like how to reach the dream in 6 easy steps. Trust me, those are 6 easy steps after a lot of experience. It takes lots of experience to be there, to be that. And after that, things starts happening. Those will be magic and magic. So, in these sessions, actually, I like to take you to that stage of your life where your mind is malleable and it listens to what you have in mind and it catches off the vibration and let your dream flow. So it kind of seems very unusual, very dreamy, very pipe dreaming, and all that, but that is how it happens. Think of a dream, and you know, that is how it happens. So, today's game will beyond the compass, and we will be traversing it uh, through the dream scan, identity mapping, emotional rewiring, green wealth alignment, and integration. So let us get started. The game will be beyond the compass. So let us start. Most mid career professionals believe they are blocked because they need a better plan, more discipline, or the right opportunity. But notice something, many of you already know what to do, yet something inside hesitates, delays, like rationalizes, tightens. That something inside hesitates, delays, and then not laziness or fear. It is an inner safety system designed years ago to protect you. Today's game will not fix anything, it will simply help you see what is quietly running the show. So, don't you think that is amazing? So, what is beyond the wall? So, this will help you directly experience that growth is blocked not by lack of skill but by unconscious rule protecting identity and emotional safety. So, the dream scan and the dream snapshot. Write one sentence. If life and work felt fully aligned, what would I naturally want more of? Examples can be I would like more of freedom, I would like income with peace. If like life and work felt fully aligned, I would like visibility. If life and work feel fully aligned, I would like more of meaningful work. If life and work are fully aligned, then I would like more of time. So, what is that you would like? Please write down in your notebook. Once done, let us take the ease state. Imagine this desire becomes easy, stable, and non dramatic. Now, what feels uncomfortable about that as you visualize this dream of yours? There must be one word which should come, which will describe how you feel. Write that word. Is it fear? It is distrust? Anything, anything that comes to your mind. In this game of beyond the compass, the wall reveals itself. If you are feeling like a wall, to be you from your dreams. Now say that word is the invisible word. Whatever word that you have written 2 minutes before, that is the invisible one. Where do you feel it in your body? Chest, throat, stomach, or shoulders? Have you heard about people complaining about shoulder pain, stomach ache, and throat ache also, chest? You are feeling in your heart also. Just notice, don't interpret it. Nobody knows because we tend to rush to a judgment. Please don't do that because this is you and you are important in any case. Say slowly, this wall was built to keep me safe, not small. Can you say that to yourself? This was not meant to keep you small. This was there to keep you safe. Then write, what was that this protecting me from? So if this is what is protecting, like your fear, your distrust, whatever you have written, what is it protecting you from? Protecting you once. Maybe it has protected you some time before. So, what was that? Growth does not fail because of lack of effort. It pauses until safety is updated. So now you should know what it is protecting you from so that your mind knows, your system knows what is the danger still. So this will make you realize that you are not stuck. Something inside is protecting you. But if this is making you stagnant, then gently we can work towards it. So, in our Sunday session at 2:30 p.m., we work on this so that you will get over this thing while we work during the session. I'm Sangeeta, I'm a significance coach, and I empower people by reframing the negativity they have inside their mind. And also, we are going to create green wealth with those concepts. How we will do it? Come to the session and we will discuss. Thank you for watching this today.